Let me show you all of the motions and gestures available on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. So we're gonna start by opening settings on our phone. Next step is to enter advanced features right here where we can find motions and gestures. After entering it, there's all of the options inside. First thing is lift to wake. I will show you those three after I read them because they are basically in the same space. So lift to wake, double tap to turn on screen, and double tap to turn off screen. And now to use those three options, we'll need to lock our device. And first thing is lift to wake. So if it's active, you can lift your phone and then it should wake your screen without touching any buttons. So as you can see, it wakes up. You just need to wiggle it a bit, or if you usually lift it from higher places, it will just wake up. The other options is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So that is all of the three options that I've shown you. Then we have alert when phone is picked up. If you activate this, then if you receive a call and you, let's say, missed this because your phone was laying on the table, if you pick up this phone and there was a missed call, it will vibrate to let you know that you missed the call. Then there's mute with gestures. You'll be able to mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So what you need to do is basically cover your screen. You can hide it with your hand like this, or flip your phone upside down, screen to the table, to mute incoming calls. And last one is palm swipe capture. This is a screenshot method. If you activate it, you'll be able to swipe your hand across the screen like this and then capture a screenshot. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.